Una good morning, good afternoon, good evening from any part of the world when una dey listen to me today. My name na Williams Glory and I bring una the open heavens on the go for pidgin. The open heavens devotional na daily message book wey the general overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, Pastor E.A. Adeboye write. Today na Friday 18th October 2024. Our topic today na talk better things over your children. Our memory verse dey for Mark chapter 10 verse 16 and e talk say, after Jesus draw the children near body, e come bless them. We go see our Bible reading for Genesis chapter 27 verse 18 reach 33. Jacob go meet him papa come say, my papa. Isaac come answer am, na me be this, which of my pikin dey talk? Jacob come answer him papa, na me Esau your first pikin o. I don do as you tell me. Now sit down make you chop so that you go bless me. But Isaac ask am, na how you take kill the animal just now? Jacob come answer am, na Baba God wey be your God, na he help me o. Then Isaac tell Jacob, my pikin, abeg come near me so that I go fit touch you to know whether na you be Esau true. So Jacob waka go near him papa Isaac and Isaac come touch am. He come talk say, this voice be like Jacob own o, but the hand be like Esau own. You no know Jacob because hair full in hand like him brother Esau own. So Isaac come bless Jacob. Then he ask am, you sure say na you be Esau? Jacob come answer, na me na. Isaac come tell am, my pikin, oya bring some of the bush meat make I chop, then I go bless you when I chop finish. So Jacob take some of the bush meat go give him papa and Isaac come chop am. He still give am wine drink too. Then him papa Isaac come tell am, my pikin, come here come kiss me. So Jacob waka go kiss am. When Isaac feel as him clothes dey smell, he come bless am say, yes, my pikin dey smell like say e dey inside bush wey God don bless. Make God give you the dew from the sky and the good things wey dey this earth, plus many corn and wine. People go serve you and nations go bow to you. Na you go be oga over your brother and your mama children go bow for you. Anybody wey curse you, curse go dey im head and blessing go follow those people wey bless you. As Isaac just bless Jacob finish and Jacob dey waka comot leave am, him brother Esau come house from bush. Esau come prepare sweet food wan come go give him papa. Esau come go meet him papa come tell am say, my papa, get up make you chop some bush meat wey your pikin cook so that you go bless me. Him papa Isaac come ask am, na who you be? Esau answer, na me be your firstborn Esau. Isaac come dey shake well. So he ask am, then na who come give me bush meat when I chop? I chop everything before you come and I don bless the person o, and the blessing go follow am. Now the message, you go prosper for everything wey you dey do and light go shine for your way. Na for Job chapter 22 verse 28 this one dey o. This Bible verse talk say, wetin you use your mouth talk na e go happen to you. This one mean say you must dey careful about the things wey you dey talk about yourself, because na wetin go happen be that. Na the reason why I no dey always dey happy when I dey see some parents dey talk bad things for their children anyhow. Proverbs chapter 22 verse 15 talk say, foolishness dey inside the heart of children. I know say some children fit dey very naughty, but the way wey you take react to their behavior go go long way to take determine whether the pikin go become good or e go worse pass before. As parents, how you take dey react to your children behavior? You dey always say bad things for them like you dey useless, you no fit become anything for this life? Abi you dey always say good things like you be pikin of signs and wonders, no matter how devil take try, you go succeed? Anything wey you talk na e go happen o. Power dey your tongue, and this power even dey more active for your children life because dem come this world through you. As parents, God don give you power over the future of your children, no be to destroy them, but so that you go fit shape them to wetin you want make them become. For our Bible reading today, Jacob come meet Isaac and he receive blessing from am. As soon as he comot, na him Esau enter And Isaac tell am say e don already bless Jacob o, and blessing go follow am. Anything wey you talk over your children, especially when you dey vex, na that thing go happen to that pikin o, and e go show for future. After Jacob receive the blessing finish and e run comot for house, e come meet God for Genesis chapter 28 verse 12 to 22. And God no talk anything about the wuruwuru wey e do. God no tell am say you cheat your brother and you go suffer for am. I bin dey think say God go vex for Jacob, but God make the blessing wey he receive from him papa come to pass. My brethren, abeg talk good things over your children life, whether they make you vex or they no make you vex. Remember say na wetin you talk na im go happen to them o. No go talk the things wey go affect them badly for future, because na you go later regret am. You go give account of every word wey you talk give your children, and anything they become go come back to you too. Speak blessing over your children all the time. The main point for today's message be say, dey careful about wetin you talk over your children. I thank una as una lis ten to the Open Heavens on the Go for Pidgin. My name na Williams Glory. Make una enjoy the rest of una day o. Till we go meet again tomorrow. Una bye bye.